Hello, my friends, and welcome to this quick free flow to start your day so you're filled with gratitude and joy. There is no better way to start the day, so grab your little friend if you have one with you. I have mine here today. This is my daughter Capri, and we're going to go ahead and get started. We're going to begin with a round of tapping on Meridian channels to clear trapped emotions and to rewire the subconscious mind. Tap where we tap and repeat after us. Inner eye. I am grateful for all that I have. Outer eye, my life is filled with joy. Under eye, my life is filled with love and support. Top of the lip, it's filled with so much good. Chin, that it makes my heart feel full. Collarbone, my heart overflowing with happiness. Side of the body, so thankful for this beautiful life. Top of the head, and all the people I get to share it with. Then bringing your hand to the center of your chest, taking a deep breath in through your nose, and a slow exhale out through your mouth. All right, and give yourself a little shake. Standing shoulder width apart, you're going to begin swinging your arms back and forth, allowing them to hit the lower half of your back and the lower half of your belly. So twisting from the torso, activating pressure points along the lower back and the lower belly. And bringing your arm up to your chest, up along your collarbone, while the other one remains smacking along your lower back. And then bringing it back down to your waist. Couple more rotations here, just activating our energy. And allowing your arms to fall by your side. This is our favorite here. This is shaking. This just helps to let go of any heaviness you're feeling in your body. So go ahead and use your breath as you shake, breathing in deep through your nose and exhaling out through your mouth. Slight bounce in the knees. You can raise your arms up. It's getting that vibration throughout your entire body. It also helps to laugh and smile while you do this. Making sure you're getting a lot of vibration and movement throughout your wrists. And then bringing your hands to center right at your navel, right at your belly. Inhale as you expand your hands. And exhale as you bring them together. Some of you might even experience a feeling like two magnets being pulled and pushed apart. That's just your energy between your fingertips. And allow your hands to come by your side. We're going to scoop up around us. And exhale as you push your arms down through the center of your body. So inhale, scooping tall. And exhale as you pull through. Visualize gathering light and energy and pulling it down through your body. One more time. And then placing your hands on your lower belly. This is almost like a storage locker. We're taking all that energy that we just produced and storing it right here in our lower belly if needed throughout the rest of our day. And doing a little rub to seal in that locker. And exhale, let go of anything else that we don't need throughout our day. Thank you so much for practicing with us. I hope you brought your little friend and they enjoyed it as well. Bye! If you enjoy my channel and want access to more supportive videos, please check out my Mindfully Me app and studio. Here you have access to 5-minute power tappings, tapping meditations, visualizations, subliminals, access to all my past and future workshops, and exclusive never seen before free flows. And you can try now risk-free for 7 days. So join me now in the Mindfully Me app and let's become the happiest, healthiest, abundant version of ourselves.